HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art.
Hey kids! Ooh, what time is it? It's time for school! Yay! Let's start by drawing a rectangle for the sign. Do you know how to spell school? Like this. A circle above it for the clock. A triangle roof, rectangle middle, and front door. Some steps. And either side of the roof and the main building. Some windows. 6 windows on each side. It's a big school, you know. We need lots of classrooms. Some detail on the roof. We're adding some tiles. Just do some diagonal lines and then squiggly lines over the top. Right, we are darkening up the border, ready to paint. Let's go for red. Red for our roof, for the front part, of course. And the tiles. This looks really cool. I love it. What's your favourite subject in school? I always really liked science. I love learning about planets and the solar system. Isn't it amazing? Oh, and cooking. Cooking is fun too, don't you think? Maybe your school could have a big playground or even a swimming pool. Think of all the things you could add to your school. Right, let's go for yellow now. We're painting the sides of the building yellow. Going around your rectangular windows carefully. So we're using a small tipped paintbrush to do this. Other side. Yellow and red look great together, don't you think? I'd say they're best friends. And we're done. Let's go for blue windows. Now it looks like nice shiny glass. That's it. Lovely. Gold for the middle part. Carefully painting around the clock and the school sign, of course. So how do we spell school? S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Now brown for our door because it's made of wood. And some green steps. Lovely. And there you have it. Oh look, school's out. It's time to go home. Look at what a cool picture you made. Cool school.
Hi kids, what do you use to go to school? A school bus, right? Let's make a school bus today. Let's make the bus with the wheels. Windows, a mirror, and the headlights. Our bus is ready. Let's paint the bus with bright colors. Use orange to paint the bottom of the bus and black for the lines on the bus, the wheels, and the top of the bus. Wasn't that easy? Now use lemon yellow to fill the lines in the front side of the bus. Let's use sky blue to fill color in the windows. We will use grey for the outline of the wheels and lines on the window. Finally, we color the body of the bus yellow. Ta-da! A bus is ready for you to go to school. Are you ready too?
Hi kids, how are you today? Look at this beautiful scenery. Are you ready to draw and paint it with me? Fantastic! Right, we're going to start by drawing the sun. It's easy, just a circle with some rays. Now some curvy lines for hills and a rainbow in between two of them. Let's do a tree. How about some fruit in the tree? Just some little circles. A boat. And a house with a triangle roof, a rectangle door, a chimney, and some tiles. Some windows. Let's add in a river, some grass, and there you have it. We're ready to paint. Yellow sun, a blue sky. You can of course use crayons, colouring pens, pencils or paint, whatever you prefer. It's going to be a beautiful scene. Okay, let's go for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple. You can choose whatever colours you like, it's your picture. Stick to a traditional rainbow if you want. We're going brown for the hills. That's it. Lovely. One more to go. Going around the house. Done. Green tree. It's summertime, you know. Going around those fruits very carefully. We don't want to colour those in green. That's it. You're doing a great job. Well, I would love to live in a house like this, wouldn't you? With a rainbow and the sun is shining and there's a river. I've got my very own boat. Red fruit. What do you think it could be? Apples? Fantastic. A brown tree trunk. Let's go for a lighter green for the grass behind the river. That's a great contrast to the brown mountains. So we've got lots of brown and green. Going around the house. Lovely. Wow, what a beautiful garden. Let's do around the tree as well on the other side of the river. Let's paint the house. A yellow chimney top, yellow walls. Lovely. Let's go for red tiles. Excellent. And the edges can be blue, blue windows, and a pink chimney and door. Perfect. How about some yellow and pink for our boat? Blue for our river. Wow, that's lovely. It's a darker blue than the sky. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. It is absolutely beautiful. Maybe you'd find it at the end of a rainbow. Dark green for our tufts of grass, just like the tree. And there you have it. Perfect scenery. Hey kids! Ooh, look at this. It's a Rubik's Cube. Do you know what a Rubik's Cube is? It's a really cool cube. It has a square on each side and lots of little squares in each big square. And they're all different colours. And what you have to do is twist each row around to try and match up the same colour on each side. It's quite difficult, but really good fun. You should try it sometime. So we're drawing lots and lots of squares. Darkening up the border. And in between each small square. There we go. Ready to paint. Let's go for blue first. Ooh, lovely royal blue colour. And green. And gold. That's it. Red. All our colours are jumbled up at the moment, so you can just paint at random. Yellow. Couple of those. And a silver. Go back to red again. You can paint the squares any colour you like. Use the same colour 2, 3, 4 or even 5 times. It doesn't matter. However you want your Rubik's Cube to look, because it depends whether or not you've managed to get the same colour onto one side. This one has not been played with yet, so it's all mixed up. Green and another one. Let's go back to red again. There we go. One more. Now blue. Yeah, some more blue would look good. Couple of those. Silver again. Yellow. Yes, and lastly, let's do gold. Brilliant. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? A Rubik's Cube. Ooh, sparkly.